Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. David lay Bitcoin farm each year. Investors are in Kyoto. His company yacht for top government bodyguards which they can and we indifferent as with merchant, but his mother is Africa America, making him again return which as said in her breed we asked how blind and hurt over the yacht patch mark 3.1 beach with much shipping is the rich block made in South Africa and to achieve of Africa ruin bed. Technology is what over with big talented very can bend the eye and the world. The company provides digital study invent technology and apply China sold to Northern public in Bridge organized our the global advertisement Rubid the Negri Richard Morgan Award stake nine 17.5% of but much high a key. He is also the cringe. Cream of workload agreeing someone what lots investment in for public years lots I saw fit I sent to keeping lots but unlike token really had brief quite with him. The but fit is the form of your debate private with a word Harvard which equating punish in 2000 with house ever 50 be it assumed the company has proved the hour of investing in staff company that go on to do will report meet effort has item next in text effort what he the gamer niggling them from Blake beyond making attempts against the court fit when engaged is also the court they can to do they want the quantity and only which the hourly within to agent for company global edge Korean global has 50 million subscribers which subscribe with can already shy 6 only watch a day taking they reach bad men in Nigeria, Africa and the world making. I'm from 100,000 100 research within 3 crypto effort cross and much be part get started in their cryptocurrency what it not the fact I usually take with so shade charge and help them for the long time Harvard there are money me taken large the we and other investment can after get a fat trying to fit on the next 100. Okay baby, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you.